Puppy raised by Susie Spence and sponsored by Francis Gandy. And I apologize to Lady, she was not in the program. She accidentally got put on, but she was lovely. Maya Chu is being puppy raised by Carolina Pedersen and Chris Bremer, and her sponsor is the Kaya Maui. And next we have our stepdog actually in center with Mo and Tony Rainbow. This is a great day.